All right. We're back. We're back at it. We're gonna do a weekly review from TraderVue, and we're gonna do a weekly review from TraderVue. So let me just show this year to date. Year to date. Where is that? Year to date. There you are. So year to date, we're two green and three red. Two green and three red. Um, I made some major mistakes, but I truly believe that these mistakes can be fixed later. I don't think it'll be a hard issue. After I show you the metrics, I think you'll understand. So here's the calendar. These are the actual recording dates that I have for the month of February. I have nothing before this. This is when I started journaling and everything. Um, if we go back to uh, January, let's see, the last 12 months. There you go. See, there's nothing there. I've not started journaling. My brokers offer this TradingView to its customers, so I got to start using it, and it's pretty good. It has a lot of details and stuff. It kind of tells you like where you're at. So I'm gonna do a custom range since we since I traded on the 14th to the 21st. Apply, and here we go. Uh, that's 2025. My bad. Okay, February 13th to 30th. Apply. There you go. I'm still getting used to TraderVue. I haven't opened it up much. I just last week I just figured out how to import all my trades. So here we are for the week. For the past 5 trading days, I'm down $2,468.18. Some would say, "Wow, that's horrible. This guy don't know how to trade. It's horrible. What's going on?" Well, to take this in context, I don't trade the large caps that much. I'm a penny stock trader. I trade penny stocks. Penny stocks. I've been trading penny stocks since 2019. Once in a blue moon, like once a year. Um, Maybe I'll dabble, maybe a little bit in Tesla if I hear some news. But I don't trade large caps for the simple fact is that it's so slow, and I'm still learning how to navigate the large caps. So as you can see, Friday last week, $743. I was hot that day because for the week before that, a couple weeks before that, I was in the simulator and I was trading. The large caps with my sim account. And as you saw, my two accounts. The top one is the live money account, and the bottom one is the sim account. I was trading on the sim account. And when I was trading on the sim account, I was trading it the way I trade the small caps, and I was doing really, really well. So that's another reason why I started to really push the YouTube channel more now, because I figured I'm trading well on the sim for the large caps, and I can start trading. And then Friday, boom, there it is on the 13th of February. I did really well. And over the weekend, I was doing some more homework. I'm constantly doing homework, trying to figure out more things about the large caps. Because, like I said, I'm not used to trading large caps. So I saw a few guys that does live trading on large caps, and it seems like a very slow thing. And I was just following it and say, okay, if I trade like them, maybe I can do good and this and that. So on Tuesday, we had the holiday Monday. On Tuesday, I came in, um, a little rusty. I still ended up coming ahead, but I felt that I felt that I was able to still trade better. But this is me getting used to the large caps very well. And then this day here came. This day here is on the 18th. I actually posted on the Discord that I was up $4,000 on a penny stock, which I was. I actually did really well, and I had like I was super fired up over it, and I kept trading all day, and I ended up giving back that 4,000 plus $2,000 more on a large cap stock that I don't know nothing about. I don't know how to trade it that well, and I gave it all back. And I want to be truly transparent about that. And it really literally destroyed my whole week. And then I started reevaluating, and I started watching those other videos and trying to figure out how those guys are trading it. What are some of the tips I can get? But I've noticed that when I traded Friday and during the sim, I was trading really well the large caps. I was using my style, my quickness, and I was trading it well. I was actually trying to follow these guys and see how they trade. I noticed that it's a like they don't pay attention too much, too long. They might walk around other stocks and go look at other stuff, and So I started doing that myself. I started checking out Discord, going to stock twits, looking around, maybe going get something to eat. I could have walked to the store and back, whatever. Just do things and thinking that this thing, wherever it's going to go, it's going to come back, and I have plenty of time to catch it. Well, after that big loss on Wednesday, I really tightened it up just a little bit. It wasn't too much because I did review my trades for Thursday and Friday, and I was so pissed at myself because I noticed that as soon as I got into stock, I would turn around, I would be over here doing this and that and this and that, and every time I turned back, I was like $40, $80 up, like on Walmart and stuff on Thursday. But every time I turned away, I kept doing other things, looking at this, looking at that, looking at CNBC, things like that. I noticed on the video I was up 3 times $400, over $400 3 times. When I first got in, I looked away, and then I looked back, and it was like $80 again, and I looked away again. I was up 3 times $400, and I was telling myself, man, what an idiot! What are you doing? I don't trade like that during with penny stocks. Penny stocks, you trade like that, you're done. You're literally done. You're done. Your whole account's blown within 10 minutes. 10 minutes, done, gone. But large caps, the way I was watching these guys trade, man, this is like watching paint dry. It take forever. I mean, I can go and take a nap and come back and still have time to catch my loss. It's like it's totally weird. I'm not used to the large caps that much, but I'm gonna hone in my skills of my day trading small caps, and I'm going to start using that type of techniques to trade because I got super lazy by watching these other guys trade at large caps, and that's not my style. And just by me reviewing the videos, me not even paying attention, just looking around, doing other things, and trying to be on top of the tariff news. I need to stay focused. Like if I'm focused on a small cap, like I'm focused on a penny stock. News comes out, stock jumps. You try to find your entry. You get in. It's 1, 2, 3, 20 cents. Boom, you go. Woo, woo, you're done. But I don't trade like that with large caps. I'm in and I look around and waste my time. But there is a little ray of light in this of all this bad news. So I was up 700 on Friday, up 130 on Tuesday, down 2,600 from being up 4,000 on a penny stock, and then I managed to even though I was actually up 400 on the 19th, which is that Thursday, and I was up 600 and something on Friday. I managed to keep my loss tight to $300 each day, which is still, it's a loss is a loss. It sucks. I don't like it, but I'm glad I got that down. It wasn't like another 2,000, another 2,000. That'd be too crazy. So so looking through this, you're looking at, well, pretty bad trading. Yeah, I get it, but I'm gonna tighten up my skills. So I wrote some notes here so I can go over this because I don't know TradingVue that well, but I wrote a few notes. So we're in the calendar part now, and then I'm gonna go to the we're on the overview now. We're gonna go to detail. Okay, so in detail, we're gonna look at from the days that I traded, the days that I traded in detail. So for those 5 days of trading, I'm down $2,468 for the 5 days I traded, which is horrible. That's my profit loss details. My average winning trades is $151. My average losing trade is $339. Um, but my accuracy, look at my accuracy. It's really, really good. My accuracy is 63.8%. That's how good. That's how. Due to that big, huge loss, it kind of overshadows my accuracy. My accuracy is actually pretty good. I mean, they only say that if you're 51%, you can survive in the trading world. But my accuracy was still good because that means that all the other stocks that I traded, I did good at. Like for example, I got a screenshot here. Look at the screenshot. Look at that. Look at that screenshot. Look at it. Datadog. Short, I'm good. Besides this one here, look at Nvidia short, I did good. Nvidia long, I did good. Roblox long, I did good. Roblox short, I did good. Roku short, I did good. And Walmart, $9. I call that a wash. But me, after being up 600 and something dollars on this, I end up jumping into the Datadog, and it was like a deer in the headlights. A total deer in the headlights. It and after reviewing it, I want to like smash my head against the wall because I'm like, what the hell are you doing? Why would you just let that thing creep up on you? As soon as you're down $100 or almost $200, just cut it. But I couldn't cut it. I just told myself as I was watching it like a deer in the headlights. I kept telling myself, if this is gonna take me down, like the attitude, like you gotta take me down all the way or don't take me at all. You're not gonna get over on me. I'm not gonna sell. And then I watched it go up 300, 400. It went as high as $1,000. And then since I had a 600 something dollar, I was green. Boom, took a loss because I was actually up 300 something on Datadog, green too earlier. So I ended up losing 1,000 on that last trade of Datadog. Then I came back and I made another $50. But overall, 1,000 slash minus the 600 something, I ended up losing $309. That's horrible. That's absolutely horrible. And so look at my accuracy, 63%. That's pretty good. So that one big loss on Wednesday, and this big loss right here on Friday, that I still maintained a $300 loss of the day, and my accuracy was pretty good. So to go down some sheet of accuracy, the performance of the week. So here's the week. Here it is. It's like a big middle finger. This is that Friday before, the week before, and then it shows the Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I don't know what the Friday. Okay, I have to show the Friday on here, but there it is. That's the big loss. That thing that overshadows everything. And then the performance of the day. 4 o'clock in the morning, I could trade with my broker at 4 a.m. Small loss, and then at 6 a.m. I made a big $1,000 win. These are all penny stocks. Anything before 9:30 is penny stocks. So win, loss, and then 9 o'clock penny stock, and then 10 o'clock. This is where I started trading large caps. Did good, large cap, $900. 500. This is combined, so it's showing you like how I am doing a combined, and then that big loss, and then that big huge loss at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So this is still in its infancy stage. You can't really tell. It needs more data to actually show like how really good I am on trading certain stocks at certain times, but so that's the performance of the day, and that's it. So that's that part. So I'm gonna go to the dashboard again, and we're gonna look at the equity curve. So there it is. There's the equity curve as of the 12th. That's it. Like it was that the day before Thursday. That's last week Thursday. I traded Friday. So there it is. I'm up, and then boom. So there's my equity curve right now. I'm looking for this, right? We're looking for that, but it didn't work out. I mean, like I said, I'm still new at the large caps. Been trading for a while, I looked at myself trading recklessly, and that's not my style. I will tighten it up. I've actually made a few changes, and all my cameras too, because the OBS. I only last week I only had two charts I was looking at. I actually made them all now, so I don't have to move things and move things. So that they take, because I need to, every little time that I lose, but I'm doing other stuff that I'm not trading, focus on trading. It kind of hurts, even though sometimes it may not hurt. So I actually got that set up on my Stream Deck, and so this is one of the things I wanted to show. This is one of the things that's important here. Okay, so there's my equity curve, and then we're gonna go to, where's that one here? We're gonna go back to, what is that here? Huh, I'm missing one here. So I'm gonna go to reports, and I'm gonna go to win-loss days. And right here you see I have 2 winning days and 3 losing days. And there's something here that's very, very important I wanted to show you guys, because it shows that things are still looking up and I don't feel totally like a fool. So the left side is the 2 winning days, the right side is the 2 losing days. As on winning day, look at this. My accuracy is 64.5. I'm 64. My accuracy is 64.5% on my winning days. On those 3 loss days, even though I've had that big ass loss that screwed me up, my accuracy still just a 1 point shy of that one. 63.5% accuracy. That's pretty good. I think that's just pretty good. So I need to reflect that Monday when we start trading again. And I'm going to hit it the way I hit a small cap. Get in, evaluate. Don't look so much at the P&L of the unrealized, and look at the percentage. I was noticing that too, that anything over 1% is really good. But if I can get anything over 40%, well, 0.40% or 1.2% or 1.0%, I could take that money off the table. Get up to $340, take the money off the table. Do that 3 times, there's $900 a day. $900 a day. There you go. Done. Do that, make $1,000 a day, 900,000. It's $5,000 a week. I mean, it's a good start for me to get my feet wet, because I'm still green on this large caps. But look at that percentage weight. Look at accuracy. Not bad. I like that. I really, even on my loss, it still looks good. It still looks good. So I just wanted to show that part, that I'm not truly discouraged. And I made a little note here. To be a proper trader, you must stop listening to other people and go with your own gut. And that's how I did. You learn all kinds of strategies, all different types of ways, and indicators and this and that. But you know how to trade your way. And my way, I know how to trade. And I need to show that, step up and show that right the way I know how to trade, and go with my gut. Because I want to be a profitable trader, like we all do. I know that, you know. I just got to concentrate on the stock in detail. I mean, um, just got to concentrate on the stock in detail. I really do. And I'll be all right. I'll be all right. I'm that percentage, that accuracy is really good. It shows me, makes me feel really good. It goes back to that picture I was just showing you again, you know. So let me change this back to this. But yeah. So here's another thing I wanted to show too. This right here is the chart I have on the right. And this chart here is new to me. It's the Hikinashi candles. And they just show momentum, trend. They show more trend. These are the smooth Hikinashi, and then there's our smooth Hikinashi underneath it, which is actually the 20 EMA. This is the 20 EMA. And so I noticed too that when there's a stock like right in here, and it goes up and down, and I can't really, I'm not seeing it, because it only just shows that red color, then green, and I don't know, but if it goes up and down, but doesn't show anything here, that could be the difference between $40 to $100 down or 100 up. You don't know. So I made my chart side by side. Um, this is what I'm looking at Monday. This is the opposite. I'm sorry. This is supposed to be on that side. That's supposed to be on this side. Whatever. But and I changed this. I put a MACD on here. I put a stochastic MACD right here, and this is a regular MACD. But this is so I can see in detail of the candles the way I know how to trade it from before, and so I can have this as a reference, as a trend. Because I mean, as I'm doing the homework, they say trend is your friend. Trend is your friend. I get it, So I need to have that to help me out because as a hyper scalper, you could be in and out, in and out, in and out, 100 times going down this candle, 100 times. But I need to follow this to hang on a little longer. So I gotta go by my own gut instinct to trade, and I'll be all right. I won't be lollygagging and looking around everywhere and all. So once I get in the stock, I'm going to concentrate on it and try to get over that 1%. And my account is getting beaten up. I'm under $6,000 now. As you guys saw, the end of day Friday, I'm down. I'm just like $5,800 now. So I got to start bringing that back up because with the leverage that I'm using, I mean, I gotta get 3 trades over a 1%. 1%. If I can get 3 trades over 1%, that'll be around $1,000, and then my buying power can go up even higher. And I don't want that. I don't want the intimidation of showing the unrealized profit or loss to affect me. That's why I got next to that. Next to that, I got the percentage, and I think the percentage is right on point. The reason why I don't have the last price because I noticed that lags. That is not like I mentioned to the videos. It is not synced to my chart. I trade on Dash Trader Pro with my broker, and I chart on Thinkorswim because I'm used to the charting and I know all the indicators and I just know how to do it. To start over again on Dash charting, I don't want to do that. I mean, I just need to maintain the montage, know the montage and the hotkeys. And the hotkeys that I have, I've been using that. It's been avoiding the ECN fee. I had to hit the panic button once to get out because I think I hit 2 keys at the same time when I was trying to get in or get out, something like that, and it kind of messed it up. So I had to panic out once. But I got some hotkeys coming. Are the exact same hotkeys, but I'm trying to add liquidity so I can get some rebates back on the trades, so it can offset the commissions and the other fees. These other fees. Let me show you. There are a couple of fees here. Let me see. There are okay. So the fees that I see that always come around, we got the commissions, you got the ECN fees, you got the CAT fees. I don't know what that is. The TAF fees, the NSCC fees. So there's 5 fees, but I only can show 3 of them on my configuration on my positions and P&L dashboard. I can only show 3 of them, which is the CAT, the ECN, and commission. But the TAF and the NSCC, they're very minute, but they're all very minute besides the commission and the ECN fees. But I just wanted to let you know about that part. There are 5 fees, and some of them are really minute, and some of them can be hefty. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get, because since I'm trading the large caps for a while, I'm gonna trade the large caps for the next weeks because I'm trying to build that money. Because I will trade the small caps later. Once I build a cushion, I want to build enough cushion where I can have it. I just want to trade the small caps for like $3,000 to $5,000. But if I lose, it won't affect the outcome of the large cap, because I want to get over 10,000, get over 12, 15. Well, once I get over there, then I'll go back to the penny stock and mess around with the pennies while I'll trade the pennies in the pre-market, the large caps, mid caps, large caps, and the regular market, and then My favorite is the aftermarket penny stocks. Um, so that's my favorite. I prefer it. I like trading the aftermarket penny stocks because everything comes at all at once at 4 o'clock, 4 to 4:30. On the pre-market, news can come out between 4 a.m. to 9:30, and if you're not paying attention, you gotta be on top of it all the time. So I like it at the end of the market, so it all comes at once. Like you just go through them and pick which one you like, I guess. Um, so that's my little rant on this week. This is this week of trading, and that one day last Friday. So next week, I'm going to be on point. I'm going to be focused, and I'm going to trade the best of my ability. I am. I got 8 stocks to look at. I'm going to keep 4 on the right that I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to look at them that much. I'm going to only concentrate on 4 of them. And since I am under $6,000, these stocks I'm going to concentrate on are going to be Roku, Roblox, Shopify, and Datadog. Because Datadog's got some payback. I got some payback for Datadog. I want to catch that. I want to try to scalp some money out of that and get a little win back because uh, I don't want to walk away from that. So I got a little revenge on Datadog. But I'm gonna concentrate on those 4. Roblox and Roku are $60 to $80. Shopify's around 120, 130, and Datadog's around the same thing, around 120. So it's not that. And Datadog's the only one that has the worst spread, but I can manage it, and that's why I actually got those new hotkeys ready to go for next week to see if that can help me out too because I get in Datadog and I'm already $90, not $90. I'm already $90 down as soon as I get in. It's like whoa, the spread's killing me. So let's see if I can see if I can buy the bid, get on it on the bid, and I use a different route too, a route that I can try to get some rebates on those ECN fees. So let's see what happens. But anywho, there it is. Week three in the books, down $3,211.18. Next week, let's hope I can do better, and we'll have a weekly recap at the end of every week. I think that's pretty fair, and I will be see if I can do my best. So until then, um, we'll see you guys Monday, first thing. Thank you for your time.